We represented Jelani Carter, who is just a wonderful human being, and he had been driving on the freeway when all of a sudden a truck cut him off, and he rear-ended the truck, or so it seemed. He rear-ended the truck. It was a pretty big impact, and his car was out of control, and he suffered an injury to his neck, his cervical spine.
One of the challenges we had was to be able to convince a jury that this truck actually cut our client off and caused this accident. And the reason why it was a rear end is because the truck cut us off.
Visuals are important for putting things in perspective and bringing to life what really happened in a crash that we can't see for ourselves. How do we go back and recreate a crash? How do we go back and put people in that position at that moment, what the plaintiff was going through? And one of the ways we can do that is with animations, with videos where we recreate the crash and we show what the circumstances were that led to this crash.
That's why one of the reasons why I reached out to MotionLit was because it was important for us to be able to present to a jury the entire picture of what happened in this particular case.
By having an animation where we were able to show the defendant truck merging from lane number 4, which was an exit lane, into lane number 3, it proved our case.
Your credibility is 100% important when you go in front of a jury. So the more blocks you put on for the jury where you're building your credibility, then when it comes to a verdict, they trust you, they believe you. They say to themselves, this person is honest, this person was upfront with us. What they said actually is the case, and visuals, I believe, help with that a lot.
We put the case before a jury, and the jury came back with the verdict of 1.1 million. I think it was a little bit higher than that, but in that 1.1 million range, and they found zero fault on Jelani Carter. The majority of my cases, I've worked with MotionLit in one capacity or another, whether that's to create an animation or a video, or to create an illustration, or for trial tech support. And if I need multiple versions or different edits for the animation, they're very responsive in getting it done. I don't wait hours before they respond. They're available almost at all hours when I'm in trial. And so their tech support has been wonderful throughout the years, and I continue to use their services.